Welcome to our tutorial on how to set up ChatGPT on your computer. Hello everyone, I am Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the web browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Now search for chat.openai.com. You will land to this kind of page. Over here you're gonna see the option of login and sign up. Click on the option of sign up. Now to create ChatGPT account, here you will need to type in email address, or also you can continue with Google or Microsoft account. For now, I'm going to directly enter my email address and then click on continue. Now here generate password for your ChatGPT account. Make sure your password contains 8 characters, and after you fill up this, click on the option of continue. Now you will be receiving mail from OpenAI, so open your Gmail and check it out. And here you can see that I have received the mail. You have to open that mail. And here you're gonna see this option of verify email address. Just click on it. Now you will need to fill up this information. Type in your first name, last name and birthday. And after you are done, click on this option of continue. Now here you have to verify your phone number. Click on this drop down and select your country. Likewise, type in the phone number and click on the option of send code. You will be receiving code in your phone number that you have just entered, so you have to type in that code over here. And your ChatGPT account will be created. This is how you can easily set up ChatGPT on your computer. Now here you can see this chat box. You can ask anything to ChatGPT. Likewise, in the case you want to log out of your ChatGPT account, at the bottom left corner you can see your email. Click on it. Select the option of logout and you will be logged out of your ChatGPT account. In the case you want to log in back, you can click on this option of login and type in the credentials and you can log into your ChatGPT account. So I hope now you guys are clear about how to set up ChatGPT on your computer. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.